Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit your YouTube channel description. So on your YouTube description, that's where you explain to people or your viewers like what your channel is all about. So that's where you add everything that your channel offers. So you tell your viewers or your visitors, like, no, my channel is all about this, and then you find tutorials or videos on this about this and that. So you add all that in your description. So I'm going to show you how you can edit it or how you can edit, right? So but before we get started, I just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, then please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. So as you can tell, I'm already on my channel right here. So this is my channel. So now your about it, your description, you put it on your about tab right here. So you find it on your about tab right here. So this is your description right here. So right, so now I'm going to show you how you can edit that. So all you have to do is just come to customization, like customize channel right here, and then a new tab should be opening up. So as you can see, the new tab is now open up right here. So right here, scroll down, make sure you are on customization, right? So just go to basic information, basic info right there, and then this is your channel description, as you can see from it. So this is where you add everything that your channel is all about. So you can add, as you can see, you can be able to add 1,000 character, right? So you can add as many character as you want. So yeah, that's how you can. And then if you edit that, but if you are done, then you just click on publish, right? Once you publish, and then everything will be saved. As you can see, changes published to your channel. So yeah, that's how you edit your channel description. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed already by now, then please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So yeah, with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.